Hey, what's happening? I'm Nick with DogClaw Products. Thanks for checking out the DogClaw project. This is Ralph, the inspiration behind the DogClaw. DogClaw Products has been busy over the past 2 years. Hard work and a substantial investment have been put into trademarks, a patent, and the equipment to manufacture the DogClaw. This is all completed. These examples are from our test run when our equipment was being made. The DogClaw will be made in the USA using recycled materials, is high quality, and will be available in your choice of blue, pink, or blaze orange. We just need your help to aid us in our first production run. We've put together some of our videos that we made for the web page and believe they demonstrate the DogClaw well. There are 4 of them pieced together, so check them out. At the end, we'll highlight some more reasons the DogClaw is the ultimate scratcher for your dog. Please share our project on your social media pages and tell your friends, co-workers, and fellow dog owners about the DogClaw. The more contributions we receive, the larger our first production run can be, and that helps greatly with costs. We also want to take a moment to thank you in advance for your contribution. Every single contribution helps, so thank you. So here come the videos, and remember, the DogClaw, your dog wants one. The DogClaw features 3 scratching surfaces with the scratching talons, massaging knuckles, and radial sides. The scratching talons give your dog the deep scratch they want, while the massaging knuckles are perfect for massaging your dog, and the radial sides help to pinpoint those hard-to-reach places. The DogClaw has the Hold Anywhere handle, so you can easily adjust your grip for comfort or distance from the dog. And the collar grab allows you to easily hook your dog's collar when a quick grab is desired. The DogClaw is the ultimate scratcher, and your dog wants one.
Got an old hound dog in my front yard, Nick and howl all night till the break of dawn. Got an old hound dog in my front yard, and he can howl all night till the break of dawn. He been sliding around by the light of the moon. He makes a little girl dog sing a brand new tune. He been sliding around by the light of the moon. He make the little girl dog sing a brand new tune. Howls all night.